This is the only 7-star hotel in the world. And today we're gonna be witnessing the cheapest hotel in Dubai versus the most expensive in the city.
This is gonna be an experience. Just look at that flying saucer.
It literally looks like one. Look at the damn elevators we came from. Don't doubt that these are freaking actual gold. And guys, every night you stay here ranges from $2,000 to $24,000 for one night. For sure, you're pampered whenever you're around here. Like anything you need on your service, everything you want to your service. Look up, dude. That's insane. Look at the doors, bro. That's insane. Wow, the view is freaking nuts, bro. The front of the hotel is that huge piece right there that you see. We're gonna walk in there. I don't really know what to expect. That's so sick. Oh my God, bro. There's a bunch of gold everywhere. If you look back, a bunch of gold. You have a little map right here. Look at these faucet handles. I'm gonna be going in detail because every single detail about this hotel room is crazy. Next we have your toilet. It's gonna be so nice. Who doesn't want to feel like a freaking like top G right here with this beautiful blue chair that matches the entire aesthetic of the entire room. Room service right along my right hand. The Wi-Fi or whatever the heck that is to my left hand. It's just a place to work, to be honest, but they did leave us a letter, and let's read this. Dear Mr. Arredondo, it is a pleasure to welcome you, and I'd like to thank you for choosing the Burj Al Arab as your home away from home. My team is joining me to wish you a wonderful stay. Kind regards. And I feel like they just write the same for every guest. We have everything we could order. Red wine, beers. Okay. One thing that's sick is this little room. It opens. It's just a fucking closet. Now, come this way. A little dining table. They gave us complimentary grapes. Why not? And it is real fruit, but I have to do one thing, bro. This is like a Versace table.
Those are real grapes?
Yes.
Oh, this is real.
No, it's not.
Nope. Bro, grab it. Next thing that actually catches my eyes is huge gold entertainment center. It's like the biggest piece of gold in here. And I wouldn't doubt there's a PS5 in here. 3, 2, not a PS5. Actually, they're rolling with LG and there's no like futuristic. We do get this remote right here, sitting on like a Hermes little remote control holder. Ooh! Did you guys notice this? Mr. Arredondo, thank you for choosing Burj Al Arab. Okay, that's too much for me. Anyways, they're just telling me, welcome to the Burj Al, where dreams come alive in the real. You guys just like, yeah. Okay.
So you're giving guarantee smoked salad with puff pastry.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. We got some freaking.
Dude,
bro, they don't around here. Oh my God.
That just really happened.
Dude, yes.
That is not
okay.
real.
What is this? Look, I'm extremely picky, but today is a day where I'm not picky. Okay.
Sweet.
It tastes like hot dogs to me, but oh, the spice kicks in though. Look at our view. We have the entire Dubai skyline right there. We have Atlantis right there, a bunch of people jet skiing. Of course, a beautiful sunset. What a perfect time to record this. And then, I don't know if you guys could see, but that's Atlantis' like second version of Atlantis right there. This is beautiful. Guys, what you're currently looking at is the Palm. So the Palm in Dubai is literally what we are looking at right now. This is a lot to take in for sure. Bye, bro. And then we have Atlantis over there. This is the best view you could possibly get. So far, this is matching up to 7-star hotel, no doubt. Come upstairs with me.
That's right.
Oh, there's another knock. Dude, we've literally been cut off like 2 times through this video. Just trying to show it for the first couple seconds. Hello, sir. Oh, yes. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Let's taste this over there. This is our restroom. Butler actually told me that if I wanted this to be on and prepared, they could come do it any second as I please within all 24 hours of the day. I just turned that on. Oh my God, bro. I'm taking all of these home. These are shampoos. I'm gonna start packing. You don't have to get up from the jacuzzi if you want to stay in the jacuzzi and like get it prepared for you. There's a little phone right here. You call them for whatever you want. If you need wine, no problem. They'll come in, leave your wine up here, and just enjoy your time with your honey. In this case, Victor. Wow.
15 minutes later.
Okay, so now it's time for the main stay. This is the main room. This is why we paid so much money. So in 3, 2, 1. First of all, I just want to say cheers to Dubai, but let's take a little sip out of this. I don't even know how to drink out of this. It's
not too dry, but it's good.
This is definitely good wine. We have another remote. Why would we have a random remote in front of a whole window? I see it from here, but here it is. Oh my God, bro. Does this place get any better? I just pressed the power button and that freaking TV came up from the back of this. So I can now be on my TV and at the same time have a view outside of the TV. Look at that sunset. Look at all those boats. I can see Atlantis, the entire city of Dubai, we see just the entire palm straight off this corner of the bed. I paid $2,000 for this room. Yes, we got the cheapest one in this freaking hotel, but I don't mind.
The guard was the best part. He was walking in there, and then as you were pulling out the stuff, he was just like laughing,
Dude,
like
yes.
going by. He's like, he couldn't believe.
It's, you know what's the worst part? I'm the one driving, so the guys are all laughing at me driving in with the Sentra. It's a Nissan Sentra. Everybody has Rolls Royces. I'm putting that straight up. Every single body has Rolls Royces, Uruses, Lamborghini, everything.
Every exotic car.
Everything.
Every exotic car.
We saw all kinds of cars, but we pulled up in our little Sentra, and that's a bigger flex. You have to jump on this bed. 3, 2. Oh damn, I can see myself through there. You can see yourself, bro.
Now that was fancy and all, but now it was time to witness the cheap hotel.
We just made it to the hotel, the cheaper hotel. We got the 14th floor, which is my favorite number. This is my friend.
Okay.
We have no key card. This is $8 to stay here a night. Now what else do we have here? We have the washer right underneath our little kitchenette. So that's pretty cool. We only paid $8 USD. That's it. Okay, we do get a mini fridge. Did we have a fridge over there?
Yeah, but it was stuffed with all this stuff.
Okay, so we get a little stove. I'm pretty sure it works. Super functional.
This is nicer than the place I stay in when I'm at in North Dakota.
No way.
Yeah, this is nicer.
Wait, are you serious, bro?
Yeah.
Oh shit, okay. Okay, so apparently this is nicer than other hotels Victor has stayed at. That's an upside. Bro, you could live here for $200 and something a month. See, the neat thing about Dubai is the government doesn't let anybody go homeless. If you are homeless, you probably get a place like this or even bigger. Honestly, I feel like that's a very good government, especially since it's very humid outside. Nobody could ever survive out there, especially here in this hot heat. $8 is not bad at all. I'm actually enjoying my time here. It's fresh, it's not hot at all. We got the whole router and stuff like that. They gave us a password right before we came in when we checked in. We got pixelated TV, especially if you're in Dubai, you're not gonna be sitting down and watching TV. You're probably gonna be out there doing a lot of stuff because there's so much to do here. Well, I think there's a room in here. Oh wait, this is a... Is it? For $8, bro? No, for $8, you thought this was it, right?
I thought this was it.
Okay, 1, 2. Oh, for $8, boy. Come on, look at that view. This is definitely a good price if you're staying in Dubai. You get a perfect view of the freeway, that main freeway going to Abu Dhabi, so that's pretty cool. G-Wagon right there. Freaking Maybach over there. There's definitely a crazy amount of supercars around here, and that's just from being here like 1 minute.
All the taxis are Lexus.
No, yeah. Last but not least, we do get a restroom. Of course we need a restroom. We're not gonna go downstairs and use one and stuff like that. This is fancy as hell. Oh. Okay, so what they love doing here is basically using their toilets as bidets. So you always get this. These are everywhere, so you can just rinse off your little booty hole.
I don't think that's a bidet. It's just to clean the.
Wait, I've been using these wrong then. Dude, I know those are used to like clean your ass, no?
No, it's clean the thing. Yeah, because last time they cleaned the restroom. Well, at the mall they cleaned the restroom for me before I used it, which is pretty awesome.
This entire time we stayed in Dubai, I thought this was for your butthole, but it's basically to clean this. I've been using it wrong for 2 weeks, but don't mind me. At least I can say my ass is cleaner than yours.
Wow.
What? It is right
That
now.
unsanitary right now.
They do supply us with a bit of shampoo, more than usual, because sometimes they have like little freaking samples like this. All right, so I do have to use this restroom. Give me 1 second, and then we'll get back to the video. Alright, I'm done. Is this the same as the Burj? Who knows? Oh, definitely not. This bed is definitely harder than the Burj one. What do I expect? I paid 20 times more in the most expensive one.
No, like I don't want to math right now.
Okay, I wasn't gonna check, but look, there's piss stains. Oh, okay, this. Oh man, I didn't want to see that. I laid on that right now. I don't know if I smell like piss or not, but look at this. Definitely a bunch of pee stains, cum stains, whatever you want to.
That's like sweat stains.
No, those are pee stains, bro. Come on. Okay, so my honest rating for the expensive hotel that we went to today is definitely, it is a 7-star. So I would say a 7 out of 7 stars. To me, I think that was the best experience I could have witnessed within an expensive hotel. What about you, Victor?
Honestly, 6 out of 7, just because of the price. I mean, $2,000 for the base price? I don't think so.
Bro,
maybe $1,000.
$1,000, bro.
Maybe
I can
$1,000?
literally buy a new iPhone or like a new MacBook with fucking $2,000, bro. Wow, that just got to me. Why did I pay $2,000 for a hotel?
For the experience.
Yes, definitely. They
experience.
treated us right. That was one.
And the fact that we pulled up in a Central
Yes,
and there
we
was
didn't
like
look the part. We didn't look the part, guys. There was people with like crazy brand names on their clothes.
Remember
and
the security guard?
Rolls Royces. The security guard did laugh at us though. So, you security guard?
Priceless, dude.
I know, but you know, it's so weird because they just let us go straight in when they see the Sentra. We were driving a Nissan Sentra. Whenever they saw our car, it's like, oh, go ahead, pass by, bro. We know who you are.
At least they didn't confuse it. There was no confusing us.
And now for the cheap rating that we're currently sitting in right now, what's it for you?
Like before the pee stains?
Yeah.
Like a 2.5. After, it's like a 1.
Yes, 1 for me too. So it's a 1 star for me, a 1 star for Vic. You can't expect too much for $8, but what you can expect is more videos on this channel. So definitely subscribe because this channel is new. And yeah, that's been it for me. I'm Marty.
I'm Victor.
And we're out. Peace.